guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is my May Boxy box. This is my May box, so if you guys are curious to know what I got in my box this month, then go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to preface this and say that I already opened this and this is my least favorite month. There's only one, maybe two products that I think that I like and that I will keep. The rest is going to be going in a giveaway for you. The theme this month is Birthday Bash. I think that it's like some anniversary for their birthday this month, so that is the theme for the month. I'll start with the thing that I'm most excited about, and that is the Cover X Blurring Primer. I am dropping everything today. So I'm excited about this because I love primers. I've never tried this. I've never heard much about it. And I'm excited to give it a go to see what I think. So this is definitely the most exciting thing for me in the box. The next thing that I'm not sure about, to be honest with you, is this matte lip gloss by Beauty Creations. This is what the packaging looks like, and the color, I think I'm gonna like the color, but I'm also not sure. I go back and forth. Do I like it? I don't know. It's a little too pink for me, it looks like, so this may end up being thrown in a giveaway, but I did open this and smell it, and it has an amazing smell to it. This says it's a matte lip gloss. Sorry, my air conditioner just started. This says it's a matte lip gloss, which I don't understand how it can be a fast drying matte lip gloss. I think they may have labeled that wrong, but I don't know. I'm kind of excited about this, I just don't know about the color. The next thing in here is this Aesthetica P12 face brush. I'm assuming this is for the contour kit that we got in the box, spoiler alert, but I already have a lot of these brushes, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this in a giveaway for you. They also sent this trio. This brush right here is $27. The trio is $45. This comes with like a liner brush, a spoolie, and some other brush, an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. So 2 eyeliner brushes and a spoolie. I don't see myself using those. I have a lot of brushes, so I'm going to be throwing that in a giveaway for you guys as well. They also sent this Pretty Vulgar ink gel eyeliner. This is $24. I think the packaging on this is really, really cute and adorable, but I do not use eyeliner very much, and I think that somebody else would get a little bit more use out of it, so I'm going to be throwing that in a giveaway for you guys as well. And I don't know if I said, but that retails for $24. So the last thing we got in this box, this was a 6-item box this month, which is really exciting, is from Pure, and is a Pure Sculptor box. It's a contour and highlight. One of these kind of broke, but I am going to be throwing this in a giveaway for you guys. You have 2 contour shades and then 2 highlight shades. I already have a contour palette that I use and love, and I don't need another one sitting around collecting space, so I'm going to be giving this away to you guys. So overall, I think this box is okay. It's not my favorite by any means. I only like one thing for sure that I'll be keeping. The rest I think I'm going to throw in a giveaway for you guys, but I like BoxyCharm as a whole, so I'm going to keep subscribed to it. I just think this month was a little bit disappointing for me personally, but that's just my opinion. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!